Evening, everyone. This is a bit later than I was expecting. I had hoped to come on Monday. It's a manic week at work. It's inductions this week, so we're not getting breaks during the day. So I was hoping to pop on and say hello during the day, but it's not been possible. So the reason I just wanted to come on and say hello was just getting the link up. Obviously, the ebook came out at the end of last month. September has started, and we've started with the first activity from the ebook. The ebook starts, I've done it as a year, so it starts at the beginning of the year and goes through the seasons from spring through to winter. So obviously we're going part way through the book, and we're starting in September. And this month's project for looking after yourself is for baking. Done a blog post about baking and the reasons why it is so good for us and how it helps us look after our mental health. I've got on there, there's a picture in there with 5 reasons why bacon is good for your mental health. So it talks about being mindful, it stimulates our senses, gets you moving, it's creative, and it can make other people happy, especially if you're going to share what you're making with other people. Some in the group, if you come along to the Get Creative with Loopy group, there's a link on there as well. Some of the members have already took a head start, went straight into it on Sunday and started making their cakes. I this morning put in the fruit to soak before I went to work, and I think it's Jilly put on that she's been baking today, reminded me I need to put the cake in the oven. So I've just done that now. So I'm going to spend 2 hours smelling that cooking this evening, so I can enjoy that. I've made one. It's going to be a big one, so obviously I've got the boys to share it, and quite likely to take some into work as well, so other people will be sharing it. And I think a lot of what we will be discussing in a lot of the projects that we're doing is the fact that you're sharing, not only is it being creative and how it benefits you during the making, but it's that sharing as well that helps to make you feel good. So there's a link to the blog post there so that you can read more about it. Those that have already read it have had some good feedback from it. If you haven't already downloaded the ebook, let's get a link for you there, and that's in the comments too. So they're not big projects, but something to keep in mind, a thought out for, and so as we go through the year, give something to do, and we're going to share some of those projects in the group. So hopefully look forward to seeing some pictures of more cakes in the group this week. Behind the scenes as well, before I've been going to work, I'm working on the members club. It's going to have a relaunch this month. If you are thinking about joining, now's a good time. I think there's probably just over a week left before the prices go up. If you join before the prices go up, that membership fee will be the same for the duration of your membership. So I'll do that now. I'll be sharing over the next few weeks, a couple of weeks, some of the things that are going in there and some of the differences that you'll see. And of course, we're going to focus on our mental well-being as well. That's going to have its own place in the club as well. There's a members directory in there as well, a library of resources for hints and tips, stitch descriptions as well, and how-tos, and lots of other things in there as well that you'll find useful on a crafting basis. So I hope you have a lovely evening. At the moment we've got rain, so it's a bit dark. I've had to put the lights on. But I hope you have an enjoyable evening. I'll be back later in the week with information about a new blog post. Hoping we're going to have some ironing tips for that one, so look out for that. So have a lovely evening, enjoy the rest of your week, and I shall speak soon. Bye for now.